How to boost volume to max on your iPhone with iOS 26.5. Okay, from the home screen or in the app library, open up the Shortcuts app. Next, we tap on the Add button at the top here. In here, we tap on the drop down at the top and rename. Here we can call it Boost Volume. You can name it whatever you like. I will simply name it Boost Volume. And then tap on the Accept button. Next, tap on the drop down again and tap on Choose icon. In here, you can select your favorite icon. So I will select speaker and then tap on the search and then we go down. Okay, from here, if you want to choose the icon, we can also select a color as well. So select the color that you like to use. And then we swipe down. After that, tap on the Search Actions text box. In here, we're going to look for volume. Okay, so set volume and then tap on it. In here, you want to set it to 100%, so that will allow your phone to quickly boost the volume up to the max. Okay, so we set it at 100 and then tap on the back key. You can tap on the back key or you can tap on the drop down box here and then tap on Add to home screen. And then tap on Add. Now, once it is on your home screen, you can simply drag it to a new location and then let go. Here, if you want to quickly increase your volume, you can simply just tap on it. And that will simply boost your volume quickly up to the max. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.